Welcome to Software Engineering Training Crash Course, powered by Tonex.com. Software engineering training shows you the advanced software engineering subjects and gives you the order to apply engineering and software engineering ideas in the development, maintenance, usability and dependability of the software. Tonex, as a pioneer in instructing industry for over 15 years, is currently reporting the software engineering training which causes you to perceive the software structure, software development, software testing, software maintenance and software the board. Training objectives: understand the frameworks, engineering standards connected to plan, development and combination of software concentrated frameworks. Find out about frameworks engineering, software engineering and software development. Clarify the fundamental structure of planning and actualizing software frameworks from investigation, confirmations and approvals. Understand the software engineering life cycle models. Understand how to lessen the software shortcomings and disappointments to a worthy edge utilizing thorough testing and review. Lead specialized software execution estimations and characterizing deterministic factors in effective software framework engineering. Figure out how to make arrangements for software frameworks, control the progressions and investigate to enhance the procedure. Figure out how to apply pragmatic techniques to enhance software venture execution in configuration process. Training outline: introduction to software engineering, software investigation and analysis, software design, software implementation and management, requirements analysis and engineering, software development process life cycle, software system development processes, socio-technical systems, software system architecture, dependability and security engineering, software project planning and management, dependability and security assurance, software system configuration management, software system quality management, agile software systems engineering and development, verification, validation and software construction, distributed software systems. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.